Hi, my name is Coley McAvoy, and I'm the content manager here at HomePride. So my job here at HomePride primarily is a storyteller. As a content manager, it's my job to create stories. This is our branded YouTube channel, whether it be in the form of a blog article or video or even a social media post. But the idea is to tell a story that resonates with customers. My job is to make sure that I'm the bridge that bridges our expertise here at HomePride and the 20 plus years of experience that we have in remodeling bathrooms, and bridging the gap to those customers throughout Colorado that are facing the need for a bathroom remodel, whether it be for aging in place, whether it be for accessibility, or whether it be a young couple who just bought their new house and want to remodel that bathroom to bring in a new freshness to the house, whatever the case may be. I was born and raised in New England. I moved to California shortly after high school after receiving a scholarship to college for theater. Theater happened to be my college major. I was a professional theater actor for many years. A lot of that experience actually is what brought me into my role in marketing. I've been living in Colorado for the past year. I live here with my wife and my two young daughters who are 4 and 7 months old. I also have 3 sons that currently live in California, ages 30, 28, and 26. They'll be receiving an email from you with your video. I love connecting with people in a real, honest, and transparent way. And that's what I like to incorporate in my marketing. I like to come up with stories, articles, videos that really tell a true and honest story. In this world that's crazy with AI, where you've got so much fake stories, fake information being released today, that we can cut through that white noise with stories that are real, that are honest about real Colorado homeowners and the real Colorado team here at HomePride. And so I like to tell the stories that really explain how we do that. Here at HomePride, we do 2 things amazingly well. We build beautiful bathrooms and we make them amazingly affordable.